Greetings all, Joseph Kursky here. Welcome to Cartographic Design.
Hi folks, Joseph Kursky here with you to talk about what we're going to dig into, read, watch, and do for week 4 in our course. It has to do with one of the fundamentals of cartography and GIS, and that is spatial analysis and spatial statistics. Spatial analysis and spatial statistics. What's not to love? First of all, topology is fundamental. If we can't figure out where things are in relationship to each other on maps, so the topological relationships of where things are, that ridge is above that Manco shale behind me, that tree is behind that shrub, etc. What census tracts or block groups are on the left side of this street versus the right side, where is the riparian zone versus the mountain ridge, etc. If we can't figure that kind of stuff out, we can't do spatial analysis. So GIS and cartography are fundamentally tied to topology, relationships, spatial relationships. Then we're going to dig into some spatial analysis tools. Now, I know many of you have had some of those tools in with your GIS course. We're going to just solidify those a little bit. And then spatial statistics with a cartographic focus and keeping in theme with our course. How do we represent the results of our analytical and our statistical operations on maps with cartographic tools and skills? We're going to examine some additional maps. Throughout the course, I'm sprinkling in some maps. You just get used to looking at a lot of different maps and also develop your critical thinking skills about maps. Do I trust this map? What is this map trying to tell me? How can I create my own maps? And finally, we're going to examine additional base maps. That is our goal for the week 4 readings. Week 4 hands-on activities are as follows. In light of our statements earlier about spatial analysis, we're going to use the trace downstream tool. We're going to create mean geographic center, standard deviational ellipse with a focus on zebra mussels and invasive species. And again, think cartographically. How are these things created, represented, shown, communicated? That is our goal for week 4. Mapping really matters. Anyone can see. Mapping really matters. Mapping really matters to me. Thanks. I digress. We'll see you in week 4.